What you see has an impact on developing healthy eating habits in children. Negative attitude towards healthy food can be easily changed into positive attitude through these helpful tips. Avoid using phrases such as "eat that for me." Phrases like these teach your children to eat for your love and approval. Also avoid saying, "If you do not eat one more bite, I will be mad." This can lead your child to have unhealthy behaviors, attitudes, and beliefs about food and about themselves. Instead, use phrases such as, "This is an apple. It is sweet and crunchy." Phrases like these help to point out the sensory qualities of food. They encourage your child to try new food. Avoid saying, "You're such a big girl. You finished all your veggies." "Rahul, look at your sister. She ate all her bananas." Or, "You have to take one more bite before you leave the table." Phrases like these teach your children to ignore fullness. It is better for kids to stop eating when full or satisfied than when all of the food has been eaten. Instead, ask your kids, "Is your stomach telling you that you are full? Has your tummy had enough?" Phrases like these help your children to recognize when he or she is full. This can prevent overeating. Also avoid saying, "See, that didn't taste so bad, did it?" This implies to your child that he or she was wrong to refuse the food. This will lead to unhealthy attitude about food or self. Instead say, "Do you like that? Which one is your favorite?" Everyone likes different foods, don't they? Phrases like these make your children feel he or she is making the choice. It also shifts the focus towards the taste of the food rather than who is right. Offering some foods like dessert in reward for finishing others like veggies makes some foods seem better than others. Getting a food treat when upset teaches your child to eat to feel better. This can lead to overeating. Instead, reward your child with attention and kind words. Comfort him or her with hugs and talks. Show love by spending time and having fun together. Eat together as a family as often as possible. This not only increases family bonding but also helps in developing healthy eating habits among children.